Hey, Shout Down. Hey, Shout Down. We like bringing you guys how-to videos, but we wanted to do more good in the world, kind of put some more good into the community, so to speak. And so we partnered with Outperform Life Foundation. That's a 501c3 organization, and they have a program called Gifted Gears, where you can donate your car, and then they'll utilize us to fix the car, inspect it, make sure it's roadworthy, and then it gets sold through a dealership or an auction house, and then whatever it sells for is what your tax deduction is, and then obviously all those proceeds go to the foundation to support their mission. Now the foundation is an educational 501c3 nonprofit, and they teach people life skills, things that you should have learned in school, but you didn't because you were too busy in math class learning about the hypotenuse of a circle or whatever. And then they also have a program where they help first responders. And I'm talking like all the first responders, dispatchers, people that work in corrections, the police officers, firefighters, paramedics, anybody that's in that direct frontline first responder community, helps them navigate the impact and build some more resilience and help with the recovery from the trauma that they get exposed to every day. And so if you like this and you want to participate, you could donate your car. You can contact them at connect@outperformlife.org. That's connect@outperformlife.org. Donate the car, and then you can see us work on it on the channel. You'll see some videos posted. If you want to be included in the video, if you want to record any sort of like history of the car that you would like us to share with the world, we're happy to do that too. And then if you want to stay anonymous, that's fine. And then the car gets sold, and then you get your receipt for the tax deduction. So let's say that's a great option. But even if you don't want to donate a car, you don't have a car to donate, then a couple of the ways you can help. You can donate directly through Zephy. I'll put some links down in the descriptions of our videos so you can find those. But you can also just watch our content, because we are pledging to donate all of the money that our channel makes. I mean, like 100% of the money that we get from ad revenue and affiliate sales. It's not much, it's like 12 cents a year, but all of that money to Outperform Life Foundation. And then so you can share these videos that we make, the how-tos and the whatever, and then that helps fundraise for the foundation. Or if you really want to get crazy, you can send us your raw video of doing a repair, and we're willing to edit that down and post it on our channel on a case-by-case basis. But we'll edit it down, post it on the channel, and then if it's good, or helpful, then it might generate some revenue for the foundation. You're not going to get paid for that. We're not going to pay you for it, but you could still do it to be good to the community if you want. So one more thing, we're going to be a little bit more professional in those videos. But the Gifted Gears cars, we're going to do things like use a torque wrench and consult a manual for the procedure, maybe, or at least like torque half the bolts. We'll start there, but just like a little more professional than you typically see on this channel. Probably not. I don't think this torque wrench has been calibrated since I bought it in like the early 2000s.